All right, HVAC versus Ant Madness, Saturday 4 p.m. Starting on O. Delaying on Ant Madness for the push block. Grace of the bid. Yes, kill. Yeah, Grace! Where's the cuts? Cuts, cuts, cuts. Oh. Hell yeah, Marley. It's a great catch.
Absurdly fast count. Still had it on.
Still had it off.
Talk about how fast that count was though.
She said that Tia 10 after it was caught.
This claim of a stall, it seems contested. The crowd over here says it's in its absurdly fast count. I'm gonna have to agree with the crowd on this one. Break for Ant Madness. Ant Madness up 1-0 after a break. Here comes the pull. T on the centering pass into immediate hammer for a goal. Ant Madness up 2 breaks. Here comes the pull. It's 2-0. And it's a break. Josh hype about Dolan's lefty scuba as a centering pass. And that's a goal. 2-1, HVAC's first D point. Travis with the pull. Turn. Not sure if a turf or a hand block. But we got a turn. That's a break, 2-2.
No world, 7.
And they are trying to claim that they caught it. I hope so. If you want to provide commentary for the camera, I'm happy to have it. That's a goal. 2-2. 2-2, HVAC is still down a break. We're coming on D after a break. Pick called, pick called. Running a swingers play. Got on the sideline. Not coming. Up! Up! Too high? Oh. That's a hold.
Real nice pull. Being fielded by Josh. Josh swings. Finds Jay. Jay, easy upland. To Case. Case looking double deep. He puts it. Jane, wide open. All she's got to do is come down with it. She gets it. Yeah! Travis pulling. Absolutely rips one. Staying in. Looks like it's going to be fielded. It's fielded. Oh, waves him off. Jason overrun commits. Turn on the first throw. Or second throw. Travis picking up. He finds Zach on a quick around. Easy break. Coleman. Looking Zach. Finds Travis with the one-handed there after the slip. Easy swing to Nicole. Yeah. Oh, definitely a bad throw there, but it doesn't matter. Jason picks it up, dumps it to Nicole. Nicole swings it to Travis. Travis looking for something. He finds Coleman. Easy break throw to Zach, not in bounds yet. Zach wanting to swing, finds Travis. It's a break! Going for the third break in a row. Do not know what the score is. The Travis pulling, great pull. Makes it to about 3/4 of the field. Pick called, pick called, pick called. Didn't see it. It's over here. Easy reset, Nicole. Fred lets an under up. It looks like it could go deep. It doesn't. Meeker in the middle of the field with the disc. Fred around. Fred's got to seal up. It's going up. It's going up. We got overthrow, but we had help deep regardless. Travis very coolly walks to it. Travis taps it in. Easy break. Fred bids, gets it. Very nice. Fred to Case. Re-swing. Case looks to swing. Swings to Grace. Grace to. Yes. Trav has the disc. He initiates. It's going up. It's to Fred. It's to Fred. Big man v big man. Out of bounds. That's tough. That's tough. Marcus talking shit for Fred. Other player does not like it. Meeker sweeps under. Oh. Looking for a hard dump. Gets the hard dump. Case seals up. Inside. Don't like that under. Going up. Meeker. Meeker puts it. Swings it up to 14. Fred putting on the mark. Nicole doesn't bid. On the line. Travis goes up. Going flingy. Travis goes hard. Travis gets the D. Very clutch. Very clutch. 3 minutes into this point now. Injury called for Travis. Probably his ankle. He rolled it earlier. But he walks it off. Zach hops on in replacement. Big point right here. Ooh. Let's follow Travis off the field. Oh, great swing to the middle of the field. Zach throws him off. Zach gets stuck. Zach clears out. Good swing to Fred. Here it is. Let's see if he can come down with it. We got pushing. Let's see, is he... Oh. Krista on the sideline. She's got one to burn if she wants. So close. .430 into this point. Disc on the opposite sideline. Oh, sweeping under to Meeker. Easy. She doesn't want it. Going up. Fred with a really nice D. Okay, it looks like they're going to call a T. Okay, we're taking a timeout. We'll be back. All right, and we're back after the timeout. Fred picking up the disc in a second. We are lined up in a side stack. Let's go back to Fred. I really can't see what's going on. Great grab from Finn. Finn with a tough mark on. Finds Fred. Fred deep. Nice break. Nice break again to Zach. Zach swings. Case throws off Grace. Oh, there's a, looks like a big ol' injury. From probably a pick.
Here we go, Boyle.
Okay, Case with the disc. Swings to Grace. Quick up line. Case looking deep. Puts it deep to Nicole. It's floating. Can't bring it down. Can't bring it down. Dumps. Jay on the On the mark. Ooh, tough throw. Overthrows it too. Quick score! Oh yeah!
He has a dragon. It's fun.
Case, you got a score?
I did not. I did one.
5-3. HVAC up 5-3. Thank you. Trav is pulling. Oh, don't know where that's gonna stay in. It's not. That's unfortunate. Rab trailing a little bit. Yeah! Real impressive D. Travis. I think this is his 3rd point in a row. Oh, he got hurt last point, but he's ready to go. Nice swing. Floaty from Rab, but lots of time. Davy with a circus catch. Panicked. Easy. Oh, out of bounds. That's tough. Quan threw that away, number 4. He's on my rec league team. CJ is ISO. They don't know our plays. There is a pretty good wind coming directly at us right now. Oh, I just totally missed that. That was a great throw. Jimmy pinned himself into the corner. Trav calling for it. Trav gets it. There was a pick. Affected. Going back to Rav. Rav to Grace. Big point. 6-3 HVAC. 6-3. This is going for half. Travis pull, 3/4 of the field. Marcus on the mark. Zach B. Oh. We got a deep shot. Marley. It's over though. HVAC gets a chance to break for half. Big deal. Travis 4th point in a row. Zach back there with him. Marcus makes a cut. Oh. Ooh, injury. I think he got stepped on. Ooh, looks like a bad injury. Okay, I'm gonna save some battery. He just walked off. That's what I was trying to tell you. Zach to Marley. Marley fakes a backhand. Oh, Travis drops it. Easy under, they're stuck on Don't know what the force is. It's backhand force. It's up. It's easy. Oh. Point. Just kidding. That was not a point. Play called. Coming back. I think it was a pick. It was a pick. They called ISO Casey. Don't know if you know who Casey is. Oh, a fucking go from Ant Madness to stop 4th break in a row.
All right, this is 4 pulling to 6, 0 point for half. And it looks like we are in a vertical stack with an AC/DC. Scuba from Case.
What the fuck?
For a dime. That is a dime ball scuba, and that is half. Coming out of half on defense, we are up 7-4. Most dangerous score in Ultimate. And they are walking it up the field host stack. And that's 3 open side unders. Trapped on the sideline, very close. Jeremy's poach misses. And costs us for the goal.
All right, y'all. 5 throwing to 7. Good guys up 2 breaks. With the twirly pull. Solid throw. Being fielded by Ravi. Ravi centers the Case. We're going the side stack. Hannah's out in the middle. She's just going deep, but there's someone over the top. Case looks her over. Easy under to Jane. Jane's got 1, 2. Hannah. Oh, she looks off Nicole, who's very... Oh, I think we got a pick. Case's parents disagree with the call. Hannah throws him away. Tough throw. Rav goes up to get it. Rav throws off. Easy to Jane. Easy to Jane. Hannah to Sophia. No, doesn't like it. There's definitely running the weave. Oh, unfortunate block. This is going up soon. Nicole under, but Hannah. Oh, Josh, Quan. Oh, it's over to Jane and to... Oh, a real bullshit play. Shit. So, Ant Madness 6, pulling to us, who have 7. Getting a pull. Solid pull. Looks like it's gonna stay in. Jay Fields centers to Josh. Josh, immediate pressure on him. Finds Fat. Oh, Gail somehow with an amazing grab. This is getting contested and going back. Psych. Never mind, Gil's got it. Centers to Josh. Josh plays around with it, puts one to an open Marley. Marley rips one, 2. Fat. It's a turn. Hammer, cross field hammer. Great grab by 91. He tosses it up. We got someone going deep. It looks like he's gonna put it. We got Marley. Ah, damn. We got a tie ball game. All right, we're all tied up, folks. This coming in. We got a hand. We got the guy who spins when he throws. Jay Fields centers to Josh. We're running a Dominator. Jay wanted to put deep, didn't find anyone. Josh with a really nice grab. Oh, don't know why she jumped. We got a strike, coming strike, big swing. Down, down, very big down. Yes, to Marley. Big point. Thanks for introducing yourself, though. Oh, disc stopped. Easy to Zach. We got one going up. He's gonna want to swing soon. He swings. Oh, we got us. Oh, damn. Jason, great D.
Oh my God.
Good throw. Oh, Coleman with the big.
You've got incredible hands.
Yeah. A little too far. We needed that.
Rather be lucky than good on that.
Oh. Coleman taking an injury.
Yeah, so Fred can go on and give them real hammer instead. Would that be too obvious?
No, I guess Gil's coming on. Travis going to go pick it up. Nice throw, Trav. Gotta clear out. Ooh. That looked out to me. Big swing to Zach. Oh. Coming back on a travel.
Grace should just flip right in.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Gil, 2. Jason, we got Nicole coming deep if anyone's going to put it. Oh, Jason wants it. Trav open deep. Side's better of it. Swing to Jason again. Gil cutting hard under. Big grab. Gil wants to put it. No one's gotten deep. Grace gets it. She's looking for Grace. Oh. Yeah. That's definitely coming back.
All right.
Yay! Big break.
Got it.
Yeah. We both do science.
So you working in NASA as well or somewhere else?
Nope. Currently unemployed. It's no. Could not be happier. But I have a couple things lined up. So I'll be starting.
Nice pull going down the corner. 1.
Rav! Watch it. That's fine.
Going out.
Up!
Up! Up!
Oh. That was a good grab.
20 units to go.
That's funny. My dad plays Grandmasters.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my brother plays too. That's actually why I got into it. Because they did.
Where did you grow up then, eh?
Connecticut?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Case actually goes to Williams College.
Yep.
You know.
Yep. All right, pulls coming in.
Oh. That's
Might.
coming in. Oh, yeah, it is.
All right, good pull. Josh fields it. Mark's already on. Oh, it's a big ol'. Got. Gets it to Jay. They go man. K center swings it to Josh. Josh looking for someone.
Oh, no.
Not good. Hannah taken down. We're calling an injury. Grace gets tapped in. Case asks a good question. Injury after. They're calling a play. This is to tie it up. It's currently 9-8 us. Oh, makes a lot of room.
Hot, Case, hot.
Yes, Jane. No. Jane, take away the swing. Deep end zone set. Oh, no. This is... I think we got a foul. Oh, we got an easy strike coming up here with the quick dump. Oh, it's going up. Jay. Very nice.
Defense, Jay. Get all 5, 6 of you off the ground there. Oops.
All right, Jay walks it up. They're forcing flick.
How hot do you think he is in those long sleeves, Connor?
It's not bad at all. I'm in long sleeves. Case looking for someone. Jay strikes, doesn't have it. Oh, Jay wants it. He puts it deep. We got Josh. And we got, yeah! Woo! All right, Trav is pulling to the bad guys. We're up 10-8, I think.
I know.
Big pull from Trav. Fielded, she lets it fall. Oh, great hustle from Jason. Zach, real hard bid. Meeker on the. Oh, it's going up. That's a great throw. 9, 10. All right. 9 throwing to 10. Game to 12. Oh, we caught a real casual apology from number 7 to Travis. Can we take a look at that? That's good spirit. Okay, they're pulling. All right, it's up. Really nice pull. This is coming to Case. Case fields it, catches it. He's got stuck. Gale's open. Oh, Gale, what you doing? Continue the run. Oh. Floaty one from Josh. Not good. Tough throw. It's up. Okay. Okay, 9 throwing to 10, game to 12. We got good cross breeze, but it's angled a little bit left, so we're gonna be going mostly downwind on this pole. Really important point, we need to hold. All right, the guy who spins when he pulls, okay. Wow, he's really good at that. Oh, never mind, I went out. Josh picks up, brings to the center. Let's see if they drew up a little play this time. It looks to me like the ladies on Amp Madness are doing a little bit of zone. Maybe we're gonna flood. Nice. Oh, big time grab. Big time grab. Jay. Great throw, Jay. Oh, can he keep it in? Yes, big time, big time.
So Connor, do you put out your universe line here on?
All right, HVAC puts out the kill line. Every line's a kill line. Travis pulls, deep. It's going twirly. Can they field it? They can field it. They swing it. Oh, Jason should have. Very nice. Pick somewhere. We missed it. Okay.
Oh, they're ISOing 88 right there in the middle.
Yeah.
That's the play.
Yeah. That's fine. That's fine. It's going nope. Swing around to 14. Nice throw. Meeker with the disc. Oh, we go. Oh, Jason. Yes! Saw that one coming. Gets the layout D. Oh, wait for him to get some. Swings to Travis. Grace comes under. Grace gets it. Grace looks upfield for a second. She's got. Oh, she finds Jason. Jason really wants to put it. He puts it to the bookends. That's game, baby.